Hello there. Thank you so much. This is a call. I'm here going to give you some of the tips that you're going to understand. If you want to start computer science, you want to start information technology, or anything that you want to start, if you are really a genius, so I want to guide you to choose wisely and choose the course that you want to do. This is what I'm going to tell you right now. If you want to know it, you need to watch this video from the beginning to the end. It's not going to take long. I want to compare South Sudan's or Africa way of teaching computer science, or let's say the technology, compare it to United States of America. Here in South Sudan, you can study a lot of things. And let me first try to give you what the United States go through. And United States really prepare the students from the foundations, and United States generally separate technology into different degrees program because the field has become too broad for one programs to cover it in depth. And instead of that, instead of producing graduates who know a little about everything, universities train specialists, right, while still giving them the same foundations. They used to give them the same foundations. You study computer science, you study information technology, you study cybersecurity, data science, and all these things. United States always give all the students the same foundation, and it's the same foundation we get here in South Sudan when we learn a college of computer science and IT. You can learn all these things. And typically, let me try to give you a general overview that United States can do to the first students, the first year students, if they enrolls into college. Typically, first year includes subjects like programming, mathematics, computer systems, database, networking, operating systems. These are the basics foundations given to students, and these are the course. These are the primary subject that you can do when you join college. You cannot do the rest of the thing. Like here in South Sudan, you can do a lot of things, but in US, you just focus on all this. And after that, students begin specializing in different type of field. And one field is a computer science, all right? And computer science, it focuses on how computer work and how software is created. This is how they are specialized in that. And typical subject for that one is algorithms, the other one is data structure, the other one is artificial intelligence, the other one is machine learning, operating systems, compiler designs, software engineering, and mathematics. So these are the course that you can do if you want to specialize in computer science. And the career path for this thing, because when we have specializations and we have a career path, then somebody might be having a career in something, and career something that is going to die with you sometime, and that's why we have it there. And the career path for computer science one is software engineer, the other one is AI engineer, the other one is researcher, and the other one is game developer, the other one is system programmer. So these are the things that we used to find when we are learning, when we are specializing in computer science and the career path. These are only five career paths in computer science when you want to learn it. And the second to that one is information technology, that is IT. It uses technology to support organization and business. And starting IT sometimes become a business, and that's why it also related to management. If you are an IT, you are a business person. And I always say this when talking about technology, that if you learn IT, it means you are a business person, because this is because you support organization and business. And typical subject that you can learn in the United States today is network administration, cloud computing, Windows or Linux administrations, and all these things, IT supports, database visualizations. And when we talk about visualizations, it includes all the things that you see, graphic, and also a lot of things right there, IT project managements and all these things. And the career path for that one is a system administrator, the other one is IT manager, the other one is cloud administrator, the other one is technical support engineer. These are the things we used to find when you are enrolling for IT, and this is the career path that you are going to specialize on that. And the typical subjects, I think I've really written them down earlier for you to understand them. Another one is cybersecurity, and today cybersecurity is focusing on protecting computer and network as well as data. That is trafficking and all these things. Cybersecurity always protect computer from misuse, and also it also apply a lot of thing protocols, that is the rules that govern the communication data. And typical subject for this one is ethical hacking, the other one is digital, the other one is digital, the other one is cryptography, the other one is network security, incident response, security operations, and risk management. These are the things you get when you are learning cybersecurity in the United States. And the other one is a career path, which is the career path for that one is you can be a security analyst, and that is a computer security analyst. You can be penetration tester. You can be a security engineer. You can be a digital forensics specialist. These are the things you used to find. So when you are specializing in cybersecurity. And the last one is going to be software engineer, and it focuses on building large, reliable software system. And typical subject is using software architecture, testing, and also developments of the systems, and also requirement engineer and DevOps. We have quality assurance and all this. And the career path for that one, we have software engineer, full stack developers, and a lot of things from there. And the last ones is data science, focus on extracting insight from data, and typical thing like statistics, and machine learning, Python, SQLs, big data, and data visualizations. The career path is data scientist, data analyst, AI engineer, and a lot of things you used to find in the United States. And the approach is really depend. And most of the universities in US follow structure. Like year 1, you learn the fundamental of computing, and year 2, you learn, you study core computer concept, and those concepts you need to master them. And 3 to 4, you choose a specialization and complete advanced course, projects, and internship. Students also complete internship with technology companies, a team-based software project, and also capstones projects that solve real problem. And industrial certifications, that one is optional, of course, but it is encouraged. And why this work? Technology is now versed for 1 degree to cover everything well. And a cybersecurity expert need much deeper knowledge of security than software developer, while software engineer need far more expertise in programming than an IT. And by separating the disciplines, the university produce graduates with a strong expertise in the chosen fields, while still giving them a solid computing concept and foundation. And for someone's interest in AI, software developments, and building technology company, the strongest path are usually computer science, software engineering, artificial intelligence, and cybersecurity, and cloud computing. These combinations provide both deep technical knowledge and practical skills needed to develop modern applications and technological products. But when we come and compare it to South Sudan, we see there is a big difference in it, and South Sudan is really not the same with the United States. And in some of the African countries, they are still following this way, and South Sudan is really following the same syllabus, is following the same curriculum that is used in Africa and some of the countries today, whereby you learn English, you learn also geography, you learn some of the things that are not even necessary for you to learn them in first year. So it's really kind of weird. And